Hello everyone, I'm Major Jip, and I just want to make a quick little video on this, because I find it kind of unbelievable. Okay, so this is a neon clock. This is actually a neon clock a family member got for me from work that's advertising Sundrop. But anyway, this is of course a modern neon clock made in China. And this has not been abused or anything, it's just been hung on a shelf. And anytime it was power went into it, it'd make a buzzing sound. So it didn't really have any power connected to it until I finally got a chance to look at it. And as you can see, circuit board, cheapest you can get. Just the phenolic wafer, which is the cheapest board you can get. High voltage transformer, and a little transistor, a chintzy little capacitor, a resistor, and the connector. Now, what happened, this connector was barely connected. Barely soldered onto the board at all. Now, I don't know how much AC voltage this thing's actually stepping it up to. I know the power supply has like 13 volts AC, and I think 12 volts AC, and then it upscales it. But look, boy, my phone is really having issues focusing today. There we go. Look at that soldering. Look at that solder joint. That is the worst solder joint I have ever seen. Look at the switch. It's not even soldered down on the right side, and there's only a little bit of solder on the left. That's ridiculous. So that would explain why it is making noises. Not only is it the simplest sort of power supply circuitry you can make, but it wasn't even soldered down all the way. And because of that, this thing's just sort of hanging around. So I have to resolder this and solder it properly. If you're wondering, it's actually attached to a remote switch that cuts AC power from the transformer, because I wouldn't trust this thing to have any power in it at all, except for maybe a few minutes, especially seeing how cheap it is. But anyway, this is Major Jip. Actually, one other thing, I've never seen neon with two small wires on both ends of it. I don't know if that's a common thing, but a lot of the other neon stuff I've seen only had one wire going into each side. Maybe that's to provide extra current carrying ability. Not sure. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is Major Jip, signing out.